Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to join a class and access the site content as a student or individual user. Don't worry, it's really simple. So first, you're going to need to head to CodeSpace, sim.firialabs.com. If you don't have a user account already, this is where you're going to need to make one. Then you're going to need to log in either by clicking this green login button here or by clicking the login button in the bottom left corner here. This is where you're going to sign in. If you are a student, be sure to use the same email address to log in as the teacher used to add you to the class. Once you're logged in, you'll see the icon in the bottom left change to indicate success. So once you're logged into CodeSpace, you can activate a mission pack. If the pop-up didn't automatically show up when you logged in, just click the Select Class button in the top left corner. That's going to show you all of the mission packs that your account has access to. You're just going to select the class you want and click the Activate Class button down here. If your mission pack is not on this page and you were given a join code by your teacher, you can just click the Join Class button in the top right corner here and enter the join code they gave you right here. This will automatically activate that class for you. And there you go. Now you can get started with CodeSpace. Happy coding!